Hello, welcome. Today we have a question which states that given that y is equal to inverse of 3e power 2x, show that derivative of y with respect to x is equal to negative 3 divided by 5 sinh of 2x plus 4 cos of 2x. So solution, in order to solve a question like this, first of all, given that y is equal to tanh inverse of 3e power 2x. So this means that, it means that tanh of y is equal to 3e power 2x. So inverse of this one, it means that taking the tanh on both sides, so it will be tanh of y is equal to 3e power 2x. After that, let us differentiate the tanh y with respect to x. So here, derivative of tanh y will be equal to sec square y. Then since we are differentiating this side with respect to x, so it will be derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to, differentiate this one, 3 is constant 3, and this one is e power 2x. Derivative of e power 2x is the same as derivative of this power, which means 2x. The derivative of 2x is 2 multiplied by this, the whole thing, e power 2x, so it will be 2 multiplied by e power 2x, which is the same as 2e power 2x. Remember here we have 3, so it will be 3 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by e power 2x, which will be equal to 6e power 2x. After that, let us make subject dy dx. So here it will be dy dx, or derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to 6e power 2x, then divided by sec square y. So after that, we have to find an hyperbolic identity which will replace this one and which will be related to the tanh y. So we know that, we know that sec square from the identity, sec square y is the same as 1 minus tanh square y. So we are going to substitute 1 minus tanh square y in the place of sec square y from this equation. So dy dx will be equal to 6e power 2x, then divided by 1 minus tanh square y. So this will be our equation. But remember that we have let here from the above here that tanh y is equal to 3e power 2x. So we are going to substitute here tanh y, so that tanh y is the same as 3e power 2x. So we're going to substitute this 3e power 2x in the place of tanh y. So here the question will be dy dx is equal to 6e power 2x, then divided by 1 minus, here bracket, since it is tanh square, so it will be 3e power 2x, then with a square. So after that, let us multiply by 2 by the power here, so that we can simplify it. So dy dx will be equal to, for the numerator it will be 6e power 2x, and denominator will be 1 minus, this square will apply to this 3, so it will be 9, and this square will apply to the 2x, e power 4x. So here it will be dy dx is equal to 6e power 2x over 1 minus 9e power 4x. After that, let us go back to the equation that we're supposed here to remain with 3 as the numerator, only 3. So here in our equation we can see, so here in the equation we can see we have 6, we can do something to remain with only 3. So this one in simplified form, it means that dy dx is equal to 3 multiplied by, inside we will have 2e power 2x, 2e power 2x, then divided by, here we'll have 1 minus 9 e power 4x. After that, let us divide with 2 e power 2x on both numerator and the denominator. So dividing here, we'll have dy dx equals to, on the numerator will remain with 3. Here 1 divided by 2 e power 2x, it will be 1 over 2 e then power negative 2x, because here the power of e power x will be negative, here it will be 1 over 2 e power 2x. So here it will be 1 over 2 e power negative 2x, then minus, here it will be 9 over 2, and e power 4x divided by e power 2x, it is the same as taking e power 4x minus 2x. So since it is the division of e power 4x and e power 2x is another, so 4 minus 2x, it will remain as e power 2x. After that, we remember that from our equation we are required to have a negative here. We're supposed to have a negative here, so from the denominator here we will take out negative. So here dy dx will be equal to, take out negative from the denominator, here at the numerator we'll have 3 divided by denominator, since we have taken out negative from this denominator, so 1 over 2 will be 1 over 2 will be negative, and this 9 over 2 will be positive. So we'll start with 9 over 2 e power 2x, then minus 1 over 2 e power negative 2x. So result will be like this one, but remember we can break down this 9 over 2 e power 2x and 1 over 2 e power 2x. How? Look at this. So 9 over 2 e power 2x is the same as writing 5 over 2 e power 2x plus 4 over 2 e power 2x. It is the same. 5 over 2, 4 over 2, the denominator as the same, so adding the numerator will result to 9 over 2, and we have e power 2x as common. The same applied to this 1 over 2, take it as a positive 1 over 2, so even 1 over 2 e power 2x is the same as taking the same values. 5 over 2, 4 over 2 is the same as 5 over 2. Remember this one is negative, I have forgotten here, negative 2x, so 5 over 2 e power negative 2x minus 4 over 2 e power negative 2x, it is the same. 5 over 2, 4 over 2, the denominators are the same. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, so it is 1 over 2, it is the same result. So here, substituting these values in the place of this, so here result from there, derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to negative numerator 3 divided by, here in the place of 9 over 2 we are going to write 5 over 2 e power 2x, then plus 4 over 2 e power 2x, first one, and we have here minus bracket. So in the place of this one we are going to substitute this, so it will be 5 over 2 e power negative 2x, then minus 1 over 2 e power negative 2x. So this then up to here. So from here, let us open the bracket by using negative here. So dy dx will be equal to negative 3 as numerator. So denominator will be 5 over 2 e power 2x positive plus 4 over 2 e power 2x. Then here will be minus 5 over 2 e power negative 2x. Then here we have negative here opening, and negative multiplied will be positive, so it will be plus 4 over 2 e power negative 2x. So after that we are going to take those terms with the same coefficient here. For example, 5 over 2 and 5 over 2, and here 4 over 2 and 4 over 2. So it will be derivative of y with respect to x is equal to negative 3 divided by 5 over 2 e power positive 2x. Then taking this one, 5 over 2 e power negative 2x, so it will be minus 5 over 2 e power negative 2x. And again here taking this one positive, plus 4 over 2 e power positive 2x, then plus 4 over 2 e power negative 2x here. After that, so we're going to take common, this one is common, 5 and 5. So derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to negative 3 divided by, here 5 is common inside, even though 2 is common, but we are going to leave 2 remain inside, so that we can get this function sinh or cosh. So it depends, let us see what is going to happen. So here inside we'll have e power 2x minus e power negative 2x, and remember 2 here is common, so we're going to put it as 1, closing the bracket, then plus here again 4 and 4 is common, taking 4 inside we'll have e raised by 2x, then plus e raised by negative 2x, and then divided by 2. So from the definition we know that sinh of an angle is the same as e multiplied by that angle minus e multiplied by negative of that angle, then divided by 2. And even cosh of an angle, maybe let us say x, is the same as e raised by that angle plus e raised by negative of that angle, then divided by 2. So here our angle here is 2x negative 2x, 2x negative 2x, so automatically this one will be equal to sinh, so it will be sinh of 2x will be equal to e power 2x minus e power negative 2x divided by 2, and cosh of 2x will be equal to e power 2x plus e power negative 2x divided by 2. So these are the definitions of hyperbolic sine of 2x and the hyperbolic cos of 2x. So substituting this into this equation, we'll get derivative of y with respect to x equals to negative 3 here over, remember here we have 5, this one, here we have 5, so it will be 5, and what is this? This one is sinh of 2x, then plus here we have cos, what is this one? It is, here we have sinh, and here we have 4. Again this one is a definition of cosh, so it will be cosh of 2x. So this is the equation that we are required to prove. It is the derivative of the given function y. Thank you for watching. Bye.